Hey guys, it's Herman Chan from Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty, and guess what? This is the second time I sold this house, and the second time is just as cute as the first time I sold it. Welcome to 730 Norvell in beautiful El Cerrito. Welcome home, kids. Come on inside. One of my favorite homes in El Cerrito because it's so big. Over 2,400 square feet of living space. Incredible. And built in 1951. So it is classic mid-century modern, which I know a lot of you buyers love so much, right? Now, when your guests open this front door, they are greeted with this glamorous, very handsome dining room. The sun streaming in here is just absolutely gorgeous. And then moving back here, an open concept kitchen, breakfast nook here, gas, which is terrific, overlooking the beautiful yard in the back, and you can see the skyline of the East Bay Hills. Guys, this area is the game changer for this house. This huge space downstairs could be a fourth bedroom, a work from home zone with your desk, a lounge area, karaoke zone, teenage hangout, whatever you want. I can't emphasize the number of possibilities that you can do down here. You could partition off the space, make a bedroom, make a den, make a gym, but you could also make the whole downstairs an in-law unit or an au pair. It has its own bathroom, own bedroom, own living area, and separate entrance off the back or through the garage. Finishing off the downstairs is a ginormous laundry room and plenty of storage, which all lead to this very beautiful, verdant, backyard. Check this out. What's really special and very rare is that, notice here, there are no neighbors looking over to your yard at all. Check out this massive garage, 2-car parking and 2-car parking in the driveway. Ginormous, huge. I love this part of El Cerrito. You are just a couple blocks away from the BART station, so easy for you commuters. 3-4 blocks to 24-hour fitness. Shopping in Kensington, Berkeley, Albany, and El Cerrito Plaza. That's why you have a 72 walk score. Super convenient, and you are 30 minutes away from San Francisco. Well, there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a extra large home in El Cerrito that's turnkey, mid-century, and super convenient location, this is it. Give me a ring anytime. I'm happy to show you 730 Norvell in gorgeous El Cerrito. Until then, take care. Bye.